Hi guys, welcome back to Organize with Ev. Today I will be doing a Sunday clean with me. I think it's always very important to reset on Sunday to get everything together for the week. I always make sure to clean top to bottom, not necessarily detailed cleaning, but just straightening up. I hope this video gives you some cleaning motivation to get some things done today, and I hope you can stay to the end. Thanks for watching and enjoy.
Got concrete walls, got concrete walls. Hold me tight, don't let go, but I don't think I'm ready for love. No, I've tried to let go, but I don't think I'm ready for love. Baby, I know how it goes, and right now I feel it in my bones that I gotta go on my own. I got concrete walls, got concrete walls. Hold me tight, don't let go. I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone. Uh-oh, can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know, I wanna know. If I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red lights. I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone. I'm not gonna lose myself. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight. Not gonna lose myself. And I wanna know, yeah, I wanna know. I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red lights. I could just stay the same or be winning the game. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight.
I came straight through the dirt, my sleeves pulled up and my head held high. No shirt, no shoes, but a beating heart, and I made sure that my tongue was tied. Try to shut up and just put up with all the lies they told. Guess this is what it's like when you grow up. I'm feeling old. Some say it's normal when you get formal. It comes with age, what a mistake. Cause when I was a kid I dreamt of something greater, like standing on a stage and hearing all those people shout my name. But now I'm hanging low and looking for someone to blame. so
I'm not gonna lose myself. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight. Not gonna lose myself. And I wanna know, yeah, I wanna know. I could come through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to drive the red lights, I could just lead the scene, or be winning the game. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight.
I don't know if I can make the days go by like this right now.
I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone.
I don't know if this road is too long, guess I'll make it somehow.
Can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know. To win is a price that you pay with this tonight. So keep playing hard and aim for the stars. Cause to win is a price that you pay with this tonight.
I'm not gonna lose myself this
I'm
time.
not gonna lose myself. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight. Not gonna lose myself. And I wanna know, yeah, I wanna know. I could come through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to drive the red lights, I could just lead the scene, or be winning the game. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight. And I'll win the fight.
Looking back at the good times before it all went down. Climbed right up on the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability. You say that you're sorry. We turn the page and make up. A broken trust got you haunted.
Once again, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button along with subscribe here to my channel. I post about organizing, lifestyle, and cleaning. I would love for you guys to join me. I do want to let you guys know that my schedule will be changing from now on, so I will only be posting on Sundays just because of school. I hope you guys can join me on the next one. Have a good one. Bye.
Yeah,